With the ability to create custom segments, you are able to precisely define what kind of data you want to look at in your data stack. To create one, go into Segments in your top menu and add New Segment. So let's say you have a specific campaign you want to keep tabs on. First, we name it to make it easier to remember. And we can add a description if we want to put it in there as well. But it's now that the fun starts. Since we only want to include traffic that comes from a specific campaign, the easiest thing is to look at the traffic that includes that campaign type. We do that by putting in our first condition, the dimension GA campaign. We want this to match the campaign titled Spring 2018, so we enter that as a value. Now the operator is set to exact, and that's precisely where it should be. And then we click Save, and that's it. Now, when we create a new data stack, we will find our custom segment in the list with the others. Let's try another one. You can access the segment creation window straight from the dropdown. Let's say we have a huge site with lots of direct traffic. Lots of this direct traffic comes to our imaginary homepage, which is what you would expect of direct traffic. But a big part of it shows up at pages that perhaps are bookmarked or links or emails. To make it sound cool, we name it Invisible Direct. The first thing we want to do is select the direct traffic. We enter GA source. We leave the operator to exact and enter direct as the value. If we click Save now, we will have a segment that only looks at direct traffic. If we activate the not and save, we will have a segment that looks at all traffic but the direct one. But we want more. So we add another condition and enter the dimension GA landing page path. And activate not, and make sure the operator is exact, and enter the value dash, since that's our homepage URL, and click Save Segment.